Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to DreamView. I will tell you about how to create Google Plus page. First of all, go to Google. Then go to Google Plus. Log into your account. This is my account. This is my Google Plus. Then type Google. Here type create Google Plus page. Click on enter. Come down. Click on Google Plus brand. Click on Google Plus brand. Then click on create Google Plus page. Just wait. Type your Google Plus name. Click on create. Then click on enable. Just wait for a few seconds. Yes. Continue. See, this is branding page. Raj Nayak. This is my one more page. All branding accounts. Yeah, Raj Nayak. This is URL. Click on manage account, brand account details, view general info, click on edit account info. So if you want to change name, you can change. If you want to change your profile pic, you can change. Okay. Here personal info you can change, or see contacts, everything is there. So these are the communities. Profile, people, This is our page profile. About. Here also you can change your photo profile pic. Name we can change and click on OK. Like this friends, we can create Google Plus branding page. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, comment below. I will respond to comment. Thank you.